Austin Archdale up high, Andy Baugh down low. Uh-oh. Andy Baugh has the lead. Austin Archdale has the lead. Here comes 09 Robbie McGuinn up to pick up the challenge for second place from Austin Archdale. Whoa! Well, we almost lost that 7 car, Dave Baugh. It looked like he was going to tip it over, but gravity brought him back down on the wheels. Going, here we go. Andy Baugh, Austin Archdale, Robbie McGuinn in the black and green 09. Then comes 11 Brandon Smith, Jed Ross in 51. And the car number 1, A.J. Hill, comes into the infield. Dave Baugh leads Austin Archdale. 09 Robbie McGuinn. 11 Brandon Smith. Car number 6, Dave Baugh stretching out that little bit. Austin Archdale in the 2 car, second, trying to gain on him. Andy Baugh, car number 6, leads the way. Austin Archdale's closing a little bit. And then they got a good lead over third place, Robbie McGuinn. Andy Baugh, car number 6. Austin Archdale, let's see if he can do anything now to get into lap traffic behind Jed Ross. Third place, a straightaway back, Robbie McGuinn in 09, followed by 51, Jed Ross. 2 laps to go for Andy Baugh and Austin Archdale. All right, headed for the checkered flag, going into turn 3. Here comes for 6B, Andy Baugh, followed by 2, Austin Archdale. Andy Baugh picks up the feature win. B, Andy Baugh gets the feature win. With the feature win. Give him a big hand. And New Tech seed yields more. And Andy is on the track. The Illinois Lightning Sprint feature winner tonight. He's got to get everything unbuckled. Hornets are out there ready to come rolling in. Here comes a trophy for Andy. And a plaque and a hat. And a cheeseburger. No cheeseburger, sorry. You don't get a cheeseburger. Andy Baugh, congratulations. You have to talk to Roger about that.
Yeah, thanks. It was, the car was good. I tell you what, I was short-handed tonight. My dad's my normal crew chief. He's out in Colorado. He kind of left it to myself. I called up an old buddy of mine, Lane Vaughn, and he showed up to help me turn some wrenches on the car, and he's a newbie. And I'd say he learned a thing or two because he's the one that helped me make these changes and keep this thing fast tonight.
Looks like he turned the wrenches just right. Don't let him go.
No, he did all right. He's got a car of his own, too, so I'm going to have to start keeping some of the secrets from him, I think.
All right, Andy Baugh in victory lane. Congratulations, Andy.